Hello, welcome to my studio. My name is Kitiya Palaskas. I am a craft-based designer and Adobe Creative Cloud Express ambassador, and this is the first episode in our mini-series about networking and building relationships to help get the word out about your business. In particular, we're going to be talking about how Adobe Creative Cloud Express can help you stand out from the crowd and create memorable networking experiences that will keep you in the front of people's minds. Now, if you're a small business owner, freelancer, product-based business, or just starting out, this is the series for you. Now, before we begin, make sure to hit subscribe for more great Creative Cloud Express tips and tutorials. Okay, let's get into this. Networking. I know, it sounds kind of corporate. Maybe the idea of schmoozing makes you feel uncomfortable, or maybe you're an introvert like I can be, and the idea of putting yourself out there in front of people is maybe a little bit scary. That's okay, and I'm here to tell you that it doesn't need to be this way. So let's chat about why networking is important to the growth of your business. Building a solid reputation for what you do and having actual people vouch for your products and services is completely invaluable. Some of the best opportunities that I have had in my career so far have come through word of mouth or through recommendations from others. So my top networking tip is whenever you're about to go into a professional setting and meet someone new, aim to make a personal connection first and foremost, rather than just being salesy or thinking about them as just a business lead or the next step in your career. Because it's that personal connection and that human connection that really makes a long-lasting impact and can have someone be thinking of you years down the line for an opportunity that might help you end up growing your business. So let's just say we meet someone new and we start chatting with them about our business. How can we make sure that our short time with them is a memorable one? Well, maybe you might give them your business card, or perhaps they'll ask what your social media handles are. These are both totally valid ways to pass on your business information, but they do leave the onus up to the other person to get in touch with you rather than the other way around. And traditional business cards can be costly to print, they can get easily lost, and also they're not the most eco-friendly option these days. Plus, in a room full of people probably doing the exact same thing, how can you ensure that you stand out from the crowd? Well, this is where Creative Cloud Express comes in handy. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to use Creative Cloud Express to create an eye-catching digital business card complete with a QR code that you can pull up on your phone. Recipients will be able to scan the QR code with their phone and be taken straight to a digital version of your card that they can then save on their device for when they want to contact you later. In the next episode of this series, we're going to start to bring a digital business card design to life. I'm going to show you how you can create your own design by remixing an existing template in Creative Cloud Express. So make sure you're subscribed so you know when the next episode drops. And while you're at it, why not leave your business networking tips below in the comments, because we would love to hear them. Okay, catch you next time. Bye.